Bobby.
What's up, man?
Hey, you put your seatbelt on?
This school's only like a mile away, man.
Alright, your funeral.
Alright. So, how's it going, man?
It's going good.
Yeah.
Did you start on that chemistry project yet?
No, I've been too busy with my English project. It's like a PSA thing.
Oh, really? Who are you doing it with?
Some friends, you know, Andrew Wolf,
Okay.
Connor McLaughlin.
Oh, cool.
You know, just people like that. Real cool, real chill.
Want to listen to some tunes?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's see what's on.
Oh, groovy.
Yeah, I feel like I'm in the 60s right now. So what do you want to do after school?
We could go to the diner.
Really? Yeah, I could use some mozzarella sticks, not gonna lie.
Mozzarella sticks?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan.
Change the song. Hold on.
No, keep it on.
No.
Keep it on.
I'm changing it.
No, why are you changing?
This man was paralyzed in a car crash after not wearing his seatbelt. In 2013, 9,384 people were killed from not wearing their seatbelts when in an accident. Don't be part of this statistic. Buckle up, America.